Year 3 can... There we go. Okay, we've got a few exciting things to report this morning before we have a very exciting and fun assembly. The first thing is our extreme reading competition. On Friday, we watched a really nice video that was put together by Miss Rector of all the wonderful photos that came in of you doing reading in extreme places, in extreme positions. And I have to say, it was an incredible difficult task to choose the winning photo. It was incredibly difficult. After a lot of thought and much consideration, we have an extreme reading winner. Sitting up straight, get ready for it. We have, I'm going to just present the certificate, and it's going to go up in just a moment. The extreme reading winner is Lena from 5DW. Well done to Lena. Now, Lena, you can see her photo in the certificate, on the certificate. She is reading, doing a handstand in the middle of a swimming pool. Pretty extreme. Well done to Lena there. Super. And I believe that is 10 house points, 10 lion cards for Lena and for her house. Is Lena at school today? Miss Wilkinson, is Lena at school? It would be good to know what house Lena is in. I don't know. Okay, maybe she'll tell us a little bit later, or we've got something in the chat. Notts. Lena is in Notts. So well done to Notts. You've got 10 house points there. Now, Literati also concludes today. Well done. We had, let me tell you exactly, because I actually put this up on our assembly yesterday, but since yesterday afternoon, evening even, it has changed slightly. We had, let me tell you how many participants, 21 people. Thank you very much to the 21 people who did join the Literati Challenge, who made an effort, but I have to say 21 is not so many. And let me just share, and let's do this, although it has changed slightly, but I'll tell you what has changed. Let's get rid of that. And my computer is in Polish, which is, there we go. Should be okay. We have got Rayanch in first place. Well done to Rayanch. Absolutely super. Rayanch was also a winner last year, if I remember rightly. We've got Eco Trooper, which something strange has happened with Eco Trooper because my name is Eco Trooper, but also Amelka's name is Eco Trooper. Now, in third place, this has changed. So I think Julian yesterday went out and collected some rubbish yesterday evening, or maybe even this morning, because on the actual one from this morning, we've got Julian in third place with 190 pieces of rubbish. Well done to Julian Potrinsky in year 8. And then in fourth place, we've got a team effort, which I really like. We've got Nora and Mark. And Mark is in year 1, who managed to collect 161 pieces of rubbish. Well done. We've also got Noam on the leaderboard. I'm not sure if you're Coral Planeteer, you can come to me. Miss Pukos made a good effort, and we've got Anthony Stetsky as well on the leaderboard in our top 8. So I think we can give those people a clap. And Rayanch, Amelia, Eleonora, Mark, and Julian, I will be taking you for a special treat this week. Okay, we'll go as a group and you will collect your reward. Noam, Coral Planeteer, Miss Pukos, and Anthony Stetsky, I believe that you can have 4 house points or lion cards each. Okay, so well done there. Good effort. Right, we're starting our assembly. Each class teacher needs to have a pencil and a piece of paper, something to write on. If you're in an older class, you could have a scribe in your within your class. If you're in a younger class, it might be better for a teacher or a TA to keep note. There are going to be points. We are going to work as a team. We will need to collaborate. Your team is your class, okay? So pencils ready. We will need to record our marks. And we are going to play Family Fortunes. We're going to play BSW Family Fortunes. Your family today is your class, okay? You will need to work as a team. You will need to listen to each other, and you will need to come up with one final answer, okay? Right, first question. BSW Fortunes. I asked 100 teachers to name a European capital city. In your class, you need to come up with one European capital city and write it down on your piece of paper. You have 1 minute. I'm putting my timer on. You have 1 minute to come up with your one answer. The time is on. I'm just going to get my bell. Keep working. Make sure you've got it written down. Capital letter for the start of a capital city. Right, keep going. 14 seconds left. 12. Make sure you've got an answer written down, everybody. And remember, this is what a teacher would say. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay, on the next slide, you will have the answers. If your capital city is one of the answers, you write down the number of points. If, sadly, the capital city is not on the slides, it's not one of the 6 options, you get 0. Okay, there we go. So write down your score, please. Well done, Year 6, Paris. Okay. Okay, question number 2. Get ready, please. Get ready. Well done. If it hasn't been a good start, we keep going. There are 10 questions, by the way, everyone. Okay, question number 2. I asked 100 teachers to name an ice cream flavor. Go, your minute starts now. Ice cream flavor. Listen to each other, collaborate. You don't need to write it in the chat, just write it on your paper. Three, 2, 1. Time is up. Make sure you've got your answer written down. Let's have a look. What did the teachers say? Oh, something's not working. There we go. Write down your scores, write down what you've got. Okay, question number 3. Okay, get ready, start thinking. Wow, year 6, we're on 2 fat ladies, 88, I believe. Right, number 3. I asked 100 teachers to name an item of jewelry. An item of jewelry. Right, the clock starts now. Off you go. Make sure you come up with one answer that you're happy with. Write it down on your paper. An item of jewelry. Ten seconds remaining. Time is up. Make sure you've got the answer written down. Let's have a look. Get ready for the answers. I'm revealing it now. Oh, some classes are very happy. 2BHG, I think, did well with that one. Year 6 look a little disappointed. Okay, next question. I asked 100 teachers to name a car brand. A brand of car. A car brand. Have a think. Right, you've had half of your time. Keep thinking. Make sure you've written it down on your paper. Oh. Ten seconds remaining. The time is up. Make sure you have your answer written down on your piece of paper, and I'm revealing the answers. Here we go. Well done, everyone. Moving on swiftly to the next question. I asked 100 teachers to name a country starting with C. A country starting with the letter C. Anywhere in the world. Okay, 30 seconds left. And 10. Time is up. Make sure you've got your answer written down. Right, country starting with C. What did the teacher say? There we go. Okay, moving on to our next question. Write down your total. Make sure you've got all the numbers written down. It's important. Okay, I asked 100 teachers to name a job, a type of job, a profession. Have a think. What did the teachers say? Twenty seconds. 10. Make sure you've got your answer written down, and the answers are, what did the teachers say? I think that was an easy round, perhaps. Lots of classes that I can see are very, very happy. I think they've done well with that one. Okay. I asked 100 teachers to name a dangerous animal. A dangerous animal. Okay, 10 seconds left. Time is up. Let's see how we did here. Let's have a look. Eyes on the board. Oh, I can see by people's reactions that that was a difficult, a challenging round. Next question, and I think this might be the last one. I asked 100 teachers to name a water sport. A sport that you do in the water, a water sport. Have a good think. Okay, we've got 10 seconds left. Year 7, I hope that you're writing down your score. Time is up. Make sure you've got a water sport written down. What did the teachers say? They named a water sport. The top water sport was, let's see, swimming in first place. I think that was the last question. No, there's one more question. One more. I asked 100 teachers to name a fruit. A fruit. What do you think the favorite fruits are of teachers? Twenty seconds left. 10. Time is up. What was the fruit? The number 1 fruit in first place? Apple. Strawberry, banana, pineapple, orange, and cherry. I believe that was question 10. Now you must calculate your total. So you should have 10 scores that you can now calculate. You can add them up. And please bring those to my office. Once you have a total, please bring it to my office as fast as you can. Let's go. I'm waiting. Let's go, let's go. Yes. Let's go, let's go. I've got 3 totals in so far. Thank you. Well done, year 6. I've just got yours in. I'm waiting on year 5. Year 2. Oh, 2AR. Thank you, year 5. You are 5 what? 5SC. 5SC. Right, Yannick is just visiting me. Right, I'm still waiting on 5DW. Okay, got that one. Right, Yannick, go. To BHG, we're waiting. What? Right, we're just waiting on 2BHG and 5DW. I need to have a quick check. All the scores are incredibly high. They're all very, very impressive. but who has the highest? Right, I'm just putting them in order. Excellent, thank you. 2BHG, thank you. 5DW, last moments to get your scores in. 5DW, we're just waiting on you. Thank you, 5DW. Okay. Right. Okay. Remember, this was just a game based on a bit of luck. However, teamwork within your classes, collaboration was important. Some of you have made choices. Some of them were the right choices. Some of them maybe didn't score so highly. But well done, and I hope that you've had fun. And you've worked as a class, as a team, to collect your total scores. I do believe that the winning class can get an extra playtime sometime during the week. An extra playtime. Congratulations to you all for taking part. Right. With 222 points, we have 5DW. Can we give 5DW a clap? With 237 points, we have 4JS. With 243 points, we have 2BHG. With, I'm not sure who this was. Who wrote it on a little post-it note? A white one. 6, year 6. Yep, super. 291 points. Well done to year 6. With 200, just 5 points more, because all of these scores are very, very close. 296 points. We have 4JR. Oh, I've made a mistake. 270. So between 2BHG and year 6, we have 5SB with 270 points. Oh, something has gone wrong with my maths. After 5SB, between 5SB and year 6, we have year 7 with 277 points. Now, I've got 2 classes with over 300 points. So this is our first and second place. In second place, we have year 8 with 323 points. Which means that the winners of the BSW Family Fortunes on Monday, the 9th of May, 2022, was 2AR with 350 points. Well done to 2AR. 2AR, at some point this week, you may have an extra playtime. BSW Lions, please have a wonderful week. Please remember to wear your uniform smartly. If you are in a class where a tie is required, please ensure that you are wearing that tie. Please remember your manners. And I'm just going to mention one person that really impressed me last week, and that was Mr. Shvida, Max Shvida in 5SB, who came up after his lunch. He'd finished his lunch, he was clearing his plates neatly, and he went up to one of the kitchen staff, Miss Eva, and he just said, "Dziękuję." He said, "Thank you." And he also said, "Było bardzo smaczne." It was very yummy. And I just thought that's such a nice thing to do, because sometimes we underappreciate all the wonderful people at our school who work incredibly hard for us to ensure that we have a healthy, yummy lunch to come down to at lunchtime. And then I was told that Max does that every day. That is a true BSW lion. Well done to Max, and maybe more of us can think about politeness and saying thank you to people who help us around the school. Thank you for your time, everybody. I wish you a wonderful week, lots of sunshine. Bye-bye.